Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create approval process in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to the approval process in our setups. And basically, we need to go to setup, and from there we need just to go and create our approval process. So from here we need just to search for the approval process, and from here we will find all our processes. So you can create a new approval process by clicking here, or you can edit any ones that you already have. So I'm just going to click on create approval process, and from there you can either use the standard setup, which is the detailed setup, or you can use the jump start wizard, which is a more easier way to use or to create an approval process. So from here you give it a name, and it will has a unique name from here, and then you can add the fields that you want to approve or that you want to process. So since I'm using an approval process on this object, which is the account, you will need just to choose any record. You add an operator and a value so you can validate this process. Then you can also add select an approver if you would like, and then you will need just to click on save. So now we are having our process that will be added, and now you can start customizing on the process. For example, for this step, you can add uh, steps or actions to this step. For example, for the approval action, you can send, for example, an email alert, a task, or anything. And for the rejection, also is the same. And you can create as many steps as you would like. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.